Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to add product here on TikTok Shop. Now it's going to be really quick, so just bear with me on this one. Just go ahead and go to the option on add new product, and in here you could choose the categories here, what type of product you're trying to sell. Now you could add a photo here, and once you add a photo here, just go ahead and put on the title here on what type of product it is. In this case, I'm using the medicine. This is for tutorials. We're not really selling here on my shop, so this is actually an active shop that I use. I use this for selling, but for privacy purposes I'm just going to let you guys traverse through this one. And in here you could just basically fill in all the details, and once you're done you could just go ahead and click submit for review. But right now let's just go ahead and add in the details here. Just keep on scrolling down and filling up all the details of the products. Just be honest about the products and how you're trying to sell it. In this case, this is the size. We're trying to sell a shoe, for example. So here is the sizes that you could actually use, and you could just manually add in details if you want to. Just click on add. But in this one we have high heel, and in this one you could just go ahead and try to sell your product, so to say. So add label on your product. You could use AI for this one. Thank God for AI, right? But you could actually use this one if you're actually a very skilled marketer. You could use this to your advantage right here, so your customer is going to be seeing this head on first. So this is your header right here. So that's just it. Click on enter, and you'll be golden from there. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.